In this video, I want to share with you about how to create blocks from structures. And we can see in this drawing, we have structures from plane, and how to create blocks from structures. And click the VT tool and click create and label, and we click points from structure, and the form sound dialog, and click the add new paragraph if you want to do, and click the standard label style, and we can select on drawing or pie network, and the elevation point from brim elevation, some elevation, or set elevation for points. And we select on drawing, and I select for structure, and you can see for selected structures in this drawing. I click accept, and you can see the point created by structure. And by another way to click from point from structure, we click the pi network and select the network 1. We click some elevation and click accept. You can see the all structure this drawing created by blocks. And we have group A.